Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I just wanted to share with you a few things that I use to get really fluffy, voluminous hair because I normally just have very fine, flat hair. So I thought this might be helpful for anybody out there. And the first one is this pink turban. And this pink turban is basically just a microfiber cloth and it looks like this. It's pretty big. This is by the brand AQUIS. You flip your hair upside down and you put it on your head and then you can tie it up in a turban. This is really helpful for when you take a shower and you want your hair out of the way. Sometimes, you know, girls, when you take a shower and you have long wet hair, it's such a hassle to dry. But if you have this, it not only helps dry your hair faster, it's better than towel drying your hair, and it just gets it out of the way so you can put your clothes on and do whatever else that you need to do. So I really love this for that. I got mine at Target. I also think it's really good for traveling because when you travel, sometimes you don't have space for like a huge towel. But if you use this can kind of double up as a hair towel and also just a regular towel. So yeah, I use this all the time. It's just really convenient to use. So that's my first one. For my second one, my second hair favorite is this brush. This is the Evita brush and it's a wooden paddle. This is the mini one. I got it mostly just because it feels really good. In the morning I wake up and also when I go to bed, I just give myself like a scalp massage so that I could increase the blood flow to my hair and make sure it grows long and healthy. I just really enjoy using this brush, mostly because it just feels really nice. So that's my second favorite. My third favorite is this giant dry shampoo by Living Proof. I forgot how good luxury dry shampoo is. I've been using other ones that I got from Target, Herbal Essence, Dove, and some other brands just because after the gym or after you work out, my hair gets pretty oily by the second day. On day 2, 3, 4, I will be using dry shampoo. And I forgot how good this is. It smells really nice too, and it also absorbs oil, sweat, and odor, so it's really convenient. I feel like some of the other dry shampoos, they just kind of leave my hair feeling really gritty, but I still don't feel clean. This one, I managed to actually feel clean after I use this. And after I got this big super sized bottle, this one is 7.3 ounces. I have only been needing to wash my hair about twice a week, which is good because it's not good to overwash your hair. I know a lot of guys are like, why do girls not wash their hair? That's disgusting. Like, why is it a competition to see how far we can go without washing our hair? But girls will know that we try to extend our washes as long as possible. So I really like this one. I'm hoping that it'll last me a long enough time. Yeah, so Living Proof. Living Proof is just a really good brand. Another product from this brand that I really like is the Perfect Hair Day Bodybuilder, and this one is actually really amazing. I'll just kind of show you right now. So like, okay, this is it just dried and kind of curled my hair. Just spray it in between. And I just fluff it up from the inside. Look at how much bigger this side is. It's like double the size. It's amazing. So I really like this for making my hair voluminous. It does leave a slightly, not chalky, not gritty, but there's a little texture that it leaves. But that's kind of what we want, right? For that like beachy, kind of messy hair look. Okay, for my fourth favorite are these vitamins. This is the Vitafusion Hair, Skin, and Nails Gummy. This one has 135 gummies, so this lasts me quite a while. Before this, I was using the Ollie gummy vitamins from Target, which I really love. It tastes so good, but it started getting expensive after 2 months. I don't know, just spending like 12-15 bucks on vitamin. This one was about $10, I think, for 2 months supply. So that's why I switched to this one, and it actually doesn't taste too bad. The serving size is 3 gummies, but I only take 2 just because I feel like I don't really need 3. But it has vitamins A, C, D, E, B6, and B12, and folate as well, and biotin. It's not a multivitamin, but just for hair, skin, and nails. And I feel like it's actually making my hair grow faster. I don't know about thicker, but definitely faster. And yeah, it's good. If you're looking for like a really easy, cheap hair, skin, nails vitamin, I recommend that you try this one. My last hair favorite is a big one, but it's something that I was seriously blown away by. And it is the Dyson Airwrap. It's definitely an investment product. It comes with many different attachments and also the drying thing. And this won't be like a full review on the Dyson Airwrap. These are the two main attachments that I mostly use. This is the bigger wrap and this is the smaller one. It's like hot rollers in your hair using air to dry and set it at the same time. Normally we would dry our hair, make sure it's dried, then curling iron. It's just doing those two steps in one. The reason why I like it is because it's less damaging for your hair. It uses kind of wind and doesn't use as much heat. But not only that, just the amount of volume that it gives is, I think, surpasses that just normal blow dry and curling iron. It just gives so much volume, and that's what I used to do on my hair today. I did a really quick version, so I feel like I could have achieved more beautiful curls, but I just did it really fast. The drawback was I thought it would be annoying because the barrels just go in one direction. If you wanted curls that alternate, or if you wanted curls that go out, then you would have to switch the barrel, which I thought was kind of annoying. I found a way where you can actually use one barrel for your entire head. It's definitely not exactly the same, and it does take a learning curve, so it's not a perfect hack, but it's been working for me. This will work fine on this side of my head because the air is going out. But on this side, it's gonna go in, and that's not what I want. So what I do is basically what we kind of already know, but you have to turn the air wrap upside down, and then I'll take my section of hair and I'll wrap it around and I'll just hold it like this. Kind of as if you were, you know, using a curling iron or a curling wand. I'll hold it and then I'll cool shot. I'll do cool shot and then I'll let go, and then it'll make the curl that I want. So yeah, that's another way that you can use the Dyson Airwrap without having to switch the barrel. Sometimes it does tend to just blow your hair in all different directions, but if you use pins like these to just pin your hair out of the way or pin the curls out of the way, it's really not that big of a deal. And then you just brush it out. The cool function is really important to make sure your hair doesn't get frizzy, so when you do use the Airwrap, be sure to use the cool function, and that'll help with any frizziness. Those are my hair favorites. I hope this video was helpful to you, and hopefully it can give you some ideas of some new hair products that you want to try. And if you have any questions about how to care for fine flat hair, please leave a comment in the comment section below. Like and subscribe. That would really help me a lot. I am really trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, and I know that really kind of sounds silly, but for me, I feel like the number doesn't matter. I just feel like if I can get 1,000 people that I can really connect with and become friends with, I feel like that's rewarding enough. I hope to just share more of also just my life and just, you know, the things that we all go through in this crazy time and age. So if you like this video, please hit thumbs up and subscribe and share it. Pass it along to your friends who also might need some hair help. Alright, thank you so much for stopping by and chatting with me, and I will see you guys in my next video.